In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Microsoft Edge from opening on Startup. There are a couple of methods that you can do. Go ahead and follow this video and try each of them. And at the end of the video, you should have your problem solved. So method number one, go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge. Once you've got it open, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, then go to settings. From here, you can go start home and new tab page. Now you'll see here on Windows device start, it may be checked and it may open Edge when you sign into Windows, so go ahead and uncheck that. That could fix your issue. Another thing you can do is right click on your start icon, then go to Task Manager, and inside Task Manager you want to look for the startup apps. So it should be this icon here, just hover over them and you'll see startup apps. Then what you can do, you can go ahead and find Microsoft Edge, and if it's enabled you can right click on it and you can then disable it. So those are two options. Now another option, what you can do is you can search, and you can search here for startup. So search for startup apps and you should see it appear. Again, if Microsoft Edge is enabled, go ahead and turn it off right here. Another thing you can do is if you go to start and you type in here default apps, you can then quickly go to the default apps, which can also be found in the system apps and settings. So I'm in system apps. You can then go ahead and find Microsoft Edge. And if Microsoft Edge is default for any of these files, you may want to go ahead and change it, and that might do the job as well. Now, perhaps you want to use Microsoft Edge for some files, so you can leave this if you want. If it's your default browser though, Windows may open Microsoft Edge on startup, which obviously we don't want, so try all the other methods before. And then finally, you can try this as well. If you go ahead and click search, you can then type in uninstall, and we can get to the add or remove programs window. You can then search for Edge, and you can't uninstall it, but what you can do is click modify, and you can repair Edge, and that might work as well. So try those options and let me know if any of those work for you. That's pretty much all you can do. I hope that video helped.